I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your transaction history on Chime is straightforward, and I'll walk you through step by step. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once you're re-logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen where you can see your account balance and other options. Step 3. Access the Transactions tab. Look for the Transactions tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your recent transactions. Step 4. Review your transaction history. In the Transactions section, you can scroll through your history. You will see details like the date, amount, and merchant for each transaction. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you want to find a specific transaction, use the Filter or Search feature at the top of the transactions list. This can save you time if you have many entries. Sometimes transactions may take a little while to appear, especially if they were made recently. Just give it a few minutes if you don't see it right away. I hope this helps you easily check your transaction history on Chime. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.